Hello, students, boys and girls, mathematicians. This is Miss Bone, and today I am going to show you how to use a really cool online tool to help you have some pictures of fractions in front of you. I know for myself, when I'm dealing with numbers, it is often hard for me to understand them when I don't see a picture of it. We think about like first grade when we started learning how to add, and we'd add 2 apples to 3 apples. We can remember there would always be this picture of apples. We'd have 2 red apples and then 3 red apples. And the picture always helps us sort of visualize exactly what's happening. So today, I'm going to show you how to pull up a really cool picture of fractions to help you understand the size of fractions, to help you understand equivalent fractions, to help you understand where fractions are on a number line. All those things that are really important for third graders to understand, you can do that by bringing up these pictures. So the place to go to find these excellent manipulatives, and a manipulative is just a fancy word for tool. We're going to go to, as you can see, I'm typing it in to the search. We're going to go to didax.com. And don't worry, if you forget it, you can do 2 things. You can watch my video again, or your teacher can help you find this website. So you're going to click on didax.com. You can go here anytime you're struggling with your homework, you're struggling with a problem that you've been assigned, you're not quite sure if one fraction is bigger than another fraction, or one fraction is equivalent to another fraction. You can go here anytime to help yourself make those pictures. Once you go here, you're going to see this page, and it looks like it wants you to buy something. Do not fear. You're just going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to see a little button that says free virtual manipulatives, view now. And you're going to click on that button. That button is going to take you to all of these amazing tools that you can use to help yourself see what math is happening. And specifically today, we are going to work with the fraction tiles. We want to know how to use those so that they can help us understand fractions. So you're going to click on the fraction tiles and number line. And up comes this screen. You can see all of your fractions over to the right here. And there's 2 boxes here. One says show fractions. The other one says show number line. I always want to click show number line because it is so important that we are always going back to understanding where fractions are on a number line and where they belong in our number system. So I really want to click both of these boxes. So as I'm working with my fractions, I can also see how they are relative to 1 or to 2, okay? So once you decide which fractions you want to work with, let's use an example. Let's say your teacher wants you to start exploring equivalent fractions, fractions that are the same size. And your job is to sort of figure out which fractions are equivalent to a half. You're going to go right over to this excellent little box, and you're going to grab a half. And boom, there it is. Then you see all these other little fractions, 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, 1/8, 1/10, 1/12, all these fractions. And you can start pulling the pieces over. Ooh, and you can start asking yourself, I have a piece of 1/2. I have a fraction piece of 1/4. Are those the same? When I look at them, they are not the same size. It looks like 1/2 is larger or greater than 1/4. So then you can just go back right over here to the tiles and just start grabbing another 1/4. Make sure you put it below because you want to really see if they're the same size. And oh my goodness, we have recognized that 1/2 and 2 1/4 pieces, which is called 2/4, are the same size. They are the same length on this number line as 1/2. So something else that's really cool with these manipulatives is that there's a pencil over here. So you can get yourself ready for whatever activity page or worksheet your teacher has given you, you can start writing down your thoughts right here on the screen. So I'm going to write that 1/2 is equal to 1/4. Oops, wait a second, that is not right. There are two 1/4 pieces there. So another really cool part here is that the manipulatives have an eraser. So if you make a little mistake, you just click on this little red and white eraser, then you come back to your little mistake that you need to fix up. And in this case, I need to fix up my numerator. So I'm going to click on that one that I wrote, and I'm going to go back to my pencil and I'm going to fix it up, showing that I understand that 1/2 is equal to 2/4. And I want to keep working with equivalent fractions, so I might go back over here and try some thirds. Let me drag them over. 1/3 doesn't look equivalent. I put two 1/3 pieces there, and that seems to be, that looks, I can look right at it. It's longer than 2/4. So these ones do not work. We're going to put those, we're going to click on that eraser, and we're going to get rid of those pieces. Boys and girls, good luck with your virtual manipulatives. This is an amazing tool. Anytime you feel like you need a picture to understand those fractions that you're working with, go to didax.com, click on those fraction tiles, and good luck.